Hello guys, so today we're making homemade empanada. So let's go. Before anything else, kailangan na ito og palaman sa empanada. So this is what I'm doing. Nagagisa ko og giniling. Then I put the carrots and the patatas. Of course, ang special ingredient ang kikuman. By the way, I'm Inday and this is Dudong, making the dough.
Done.
This is the dough for the...
It's not dough.
What is this?
It's dodong.
This is the palaman for the empanada daw. Ako ang sa palaman, siya ang sa dough. So, luspad pa siya because wala ka na siya kolo. This is the secret recipe. This. Senador yan. Charot. Don't you know?
Pasensya na po, first time lang.
You should take off your ring because it's bacterial.
No. Why it's not bilog?
It's okay. Don't pressure yourself. You know, we're just going to eat that and pull that up there. So, it's okay.
Limpyo kag kamot? Limpyo kag kamot?
I just hold
My pen.
Lift yung kagkamot. Lift yung kagkamot. Gulitin mo siya ng etlog.
Kung mayroon mang gamit kayo na.
What's that? Ako ang mata ato din. Lagay mo muna sa ref para tumigas. Yo. Oh. Bakit ipis? Seryoso yarn. Career change. Mali. Change of career.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me
First.
feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. The melody, it's smooth and sweet.
The finished product.
Dripping from a golden beat. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My
Not bad for first time.
Yeah,
Ito.
pumping so loud.
Bate amo.
Rhythm of love, baby.
Ang
Ito po yung sandok namin sa Japan. Kusa po siyang natatanggal.
I just can't help but sway. Nothing else
Yeah.
matters. It's my heart.
Ano sabi mo sa unang kagat? Sarap?
Nasa kulang. Wala naman.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade.
Kailangan pa ba siya ketchup? Dili na.
Every chord.
Oh, pwede sa mo